Good morning guys! So we are on our way to the airport today. Yung flight natin papuntang Siargao. The flight is via Cebu Pacific at 7:40 a.m. Imimit lang namin yung mga friends namin sa boarding area. Doon na kami magkikita-kita. By the way, our flight is connecting. It's from Daragat to Cebu and then Cebu to Siargao, vice versa. We landed Cebu and we will have our lunch kasi lunch na kami dumating dyan. Actually, brunch. So, magla-lunch na kami dyan kasi yung flight namin going to Siargao is in the afternoon around 3 o'clock and then arrival namin supposedly in Siargao is 4 p.m. Our flight was a little bit delayed pero it's okay kasi around 30 minutes lang naman yung delay. And finally, we are in Siargao. It's my first time here in Siargao pero yung dalawa namin kasama, they've been here na before so medyo may alam na sila kung saan kami pupunta, kung anong gagawin namin, itinerary namin. So, ayun, paglabas ng arrival, nandun na sa labas ng airport yung mga van transfers. Yung fare is around 300 to 350 per pax. Pero ano yon, sharing na van. But if you want to have private van, yung siniya sa amin is 2.5. Nag-ayos lang kami na very light, nag-freshen up, nag-charge, and then nagbihis ng mabilis because we wanna maximize the day. After nun, after makapag-settle, naghanap na kami ng makakainan. Pumunta na kami ng General Luna. Naghanap kami ng makakainan and then we found this curvada which is also famous here in Siargao. So we will try it tonight for our dinner. And then after dinner, pumunta kami dito sa Siargao Beach Club because we wanna end the night with some drinks and relax, but I doubt this is a relaxing bar. They have party every night. They have schedule, so you can check their social media account to know what's up tonight. But nung pumunta kami dito, it's a Wednesday, so it was ladies night. They have free shots for all the ladies.